So given a chance na makapamili po kayo ng dream travel ninyo, where will you go?
In the Philippines, maybe Surigao,
Saan kayo madalas sa Philippines?
Boracay.
Boracay.
Dream travel. Batanes.
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 Palawan.
So ayun nga guys, gusto naming bigyan ng regalo si Isa. Mag-graduate siya for her grade 6. Nabanggit niya sa amin na isa sa mga memorable vacation na napuntahan niya is Boracay. So gusto namin siyang ibalik doon dahil nga as a gift and a reward for her graduation. Pero syempre, tayo na budget conscious. Tinitignan natin kung pasok na pasok yung
Nasa budget.
yes, budget pa natin, di ba?
travel.
Ang travel. So, yun yung mga considerations namin. So, good thing, na-invite tayo ng Sky Venture. Nung tumawag sila sa amin, sobrang saya namin dahil it's an answered prayer. They're gonna assist us in booking. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Marquee Mall. Isa pa sa kagandahan dito, nasa loob siya ng mall.
Yes.
Hassle-free. Parking is also good. At tutulungan nila nga tayo mag-book ng ating dream getaway and gift sa Boracay. So, samahan niyo po kami if you are also looking for that budget, hassle-free booking for your getaway. And hopefully, matuloy yung vacation namin sa Boracay. So, samahan niyo po kami.
Let's go!
Let's go! So ito naman, 3 days, 2 nights sa Coron. So this one is 22,000 per head and then minimum of 2. Mag-graduate po yung grade 6 namin. So we want to give her vacation. May mga ano po ba tayo dito? Package. Siyempre, isip din po namin yung budget dyan, ma'am.
Yes po. Yung Boracay namin is for 3 days, 2 nights, 12,000 per box lang po siya. Which include na po the airfare, hotel accommodation, tapos may free island hopping na po kayo. Then airport transfer, including terminal fee and environmental.
So basically parang pupunta ka na lang.
Yes. Hassle-free.
So basically isipin mo lang dito is yung mga safe tours.
Singit tours.
Yes.
Bakit na? Bakit tours?
May mga list po ba na hotel na for pagpipilian or kayo po yung pipili na?
Yes po, actually meron naman kaming list ng hotels po. Like 3-star hotel po. Pero if you want to upgrade po, yun po. Pwede naman po, but with addition.
Yes. Okay.
For booking lang naman po natin, requirements lang po is your valid ID lang.
So sa
And of
booking,
course,
ID at saka payment, no ma'am?
Yes.
Kala ko ID lang. Pwede po ba nating ma-check yung ano namin, yung date namin, ma'am, kung available?
Yes po. Kailan po yung mga preferred?
Kumusta po yung booking namin? Is it still available?
Yes po. As per check naman po, it's still available on your preferred date po. So, we need requirements lang po, like your ID. Kung may mga kasama po kayong bata, pwede po yung mga school IDs po nila or birth certificate.
Okay, book na natin.
Okay, yes. Pera na lang.
Pera na lang ang idadagdag.
Yes,
Okay.
pera.
Alright, so kasama natin ngayon si Sir Nardson. So isa po sa mga client or customer na nag-book po dito sa Sky Venture. Sir, good morning po and salamat po sa pagpapaunlak niyo sa namin. First question po, first time niyo po bang magpa-book sa office natin?
Opo, first time.
And customer experience po, kumusta naman po yung transaction?
Okay naman po.
Okay.
So ito po yung first time po namin na nakapag-book po rito sa
Office na Pampanga base.
Sa Pampanga base po.
Hmm.
Usually po kasi sa Makati, Manila.
Will you recommend it? So
Based on experience po. Yes po.
finally, we are booked. Very happy, no? For sure, yung mga kids po namin, lalo na si Isa, would be really, really happy. What was our experience, Mama?
Kanina, very madali lahat. Madali, magaan.
Magaan na
Ang
transaction.
proseso, transaction. Minsan, kapag gusto mo i-customize yung travel mo,
Yes.
napakadali para sa kanila.
Uh-huh.
Ako na-appreciate ko yung pag-ano natin ng they are very concerned with sa flight,
Yes.
time, napakaganda na, di ba?
Yes.
Bilang traveler, yun talaga yung hinahanap mo. Hindi mo na kailangan tanongin pa, kung saan yun naman.
Exactly.
Sasuggest.
So, ayun guys, if you're interested to know more about Sky Venture or you are looking for that, dream vacation for the next family getaway or even your solo trip, ayan po. So, you can actually check them out, message them. We're gonna include po yung actual fan page and the link para iwas scam tayo. Most
Yes,
probably sa mga unverified mga Facebook pages that that are somewhere out there. Okay, so if you are in Manila naman, they do also have a Quezon City branch. But if you are from Pampanga, yan, so we encourage you to go here dito po sa kanilang Marquee branch. Finally, we're gonna fly! We got it, guys. So again, thank you so much, Sky Venture Travel and Tours. We're gonna fly.
Thank you!